JD Camp 26, just repairs and hobbies, and we're going to base coat the Three Stooges right here, all three sides. So stay tuned. The base coat of white, just to tack on some paint so we can hand paint it, and we'll be hand painting it next. We sprayed the facial tones and the hands on just now. And the guys are all done, the Three Stooges, and there they are. I thank you for watching. Please rate and subscribe and give me the thumbs up. I work very hard to do these videos for you guys. And God bless you. Bye for now.